Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be playing a fun makeup challenge. Game master is going to explain the rules of the game. So
hi guys, game master here. So basically what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be asking Rita some riddles and she's going to be playing for makeup. So she's going to have to answer the riddle correctly before we can give her the makeup tool to use. So if she fails a riddle, she has to go without that makeup instrument or that makeup product. So basically just a fun game to see how she can improvise, you know, if she fails some questions, and not how smart, but like just, you know, IQ levels and shit. Alright, let's go.
please guys, comment down in the comment section if you think I'm going to win this riddle challenge. Wish me luck. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I've already skin prepped my face, so the skin prep video will be up before this video. So if you've not watched it, I'll leave it in the description and the cards above, so check it out. And now let's get into the video.
First we're going to be playing for foundation. First question. Which word in the dictionary is spelled incorrectly?
Incorrectly now.
Correct. That's me what we know.
It's all in here.
So next she's going to... Okay, show them.
So I'll be applying my foundation now. I have to play for the tool I'll use to apply the foundation.
What can you catch but never throw?
Can catch feelings now. Can catch a flight. Can you catch cold?
Correct.
Hey, get.
You satisfied? Tell me why you wanna live that.
What has a head and a tail but no body?
A coin. Heads and tail now. Does it not make sense?
Correct. You took
I didn't think I don't have sense. Using Ezekiel golden caramel.
Now she's going to play for the beauty blender to blend the highlights. What belongs to you but is used by everyone you meet?
Green eyes got stepping at the high life, wishing you could be like them. They got the fast cars, diamonds on the high rise, always looking like a 10. Yeah, the first class always.
Please don't forget to like, cause your girl is winning.
Next we're playing for contour. The question: what goes all around the world but stays in one place?
What goes all around the world stays in one place? Planet Earth.
It's planet Earth.
Who's that? What goes around stays in one place? The moon or the sun?
They move.
The moon.
They move. Both of them.
One eternity later.
Let's take a stamp.
Do you use stamps in Nigeria?
It doesn't really matter. So next up, we're playing for setting powder. And the question is...
Pray for me, guys. If you are enjoying this video, please thumbs up. Thank you.
what do you see once in June, twice in November, and not at all in May? Maybe I can't.
What do you see twice in June? Once in Once in November and what was? Sorry, just read
They
it.
have twisted the question.
Okay, sorry, just say it again.
What do you see once in June, twice in November, not at all in May?
E.
Correct.
It's all in here, baby. Am I paying for my brush? Abi, you allow me?
Yes, I pay for your brush.
Okay.
What 5-letter word has one left when 2 letters are removed?
What 5-letter word has one left? Please, I beg. Say.
A few moments later.
Time up. So the answer is stone. 1 left. You remove 2, S and T.
Sorry. Please, I didn't win the brush to apply my setting powder, so I'll be using my fingers.
Makeup artist.
Green eyes caught staring at the high life, wishing you could be like them. They got the fast cars, diamonds on the high rise, always looking like a 10. Yeah, the first class always gotten everything they want.
If you throw a blue stone into the Red Sea, what do we become?
Blue stone now.
It comes.
It's not correct.
If you throw a blue stone into the Red Sea, what will it become?
If you throw a blue stone into the Red Sea, it's what will it become? Please comment down in the comment section what you think it will become. Please.
You give up.
I say blue, you say it's not blue.
I couldn't think
It cannot be red now.
Wet. The stone will become wet.
I lost the blush question, so I won't be applying blush. For my cream blush, I usually go with this Lady V lipstick shade.
Next up, we're going to be playing for nose contour. What does a house wear?
What kind of question is that? What does a house wear?
Simon.
Paint.
That's actually very
Just because it's clever now. Not most people come up with the answer.
That's not the answer.
Please comment what your listing is. Your answer is.
I knew your secret was you're very intelligent. Then I've gotten it.
What does a house wear? House wear.
Time up. Time up.
Household.
Time up.
Housemates.
Address. Address.
Don't get it.
Dress.
She gets it.
She gets it.
She's shocked at how she didn't.
So there is no nose contour. Do you want to
At this point, just you people should know that this makeup is not going anywhere. Just pray for me.
do you want to play for the brush of the contour brush?
And do what? And brush my teeth.
So now she's going to be playing for her brows, her eye pencil. Alright.
Hey God.
Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Who has married many people but has never been married? Think.
Who has married many people but has never been married? Pastor.
I'll give it to you.
My heart. Oh!
Actually, I meant to bring that question because
Her time was up. It was 4.
Thank you. God bless
4 more
you.
seconds.
God bless you.
Tell me why you wanna sell yourself a lie, 'cause in the end you'll realize it's gonna leave you cold and empty on the other side. On the other side. camera, check my body names.
Ready?
Not really, but let's go.
What tastes better than it smells?
I've heard this question before. I've heard this question before. What tastes better than it smells?
They play for concealer.
What tastes better than it smells? I've heard this thing before. I say tongue, but it's not tongue, is it?
Say a final answer.
Yeah, we don't used to do final answer here.
Please, every guy with you.
Why are you asking? Is it
Yellow front
Tongue.
no.
Yes or no? I don't have time. Just let me know where I'm headed. Is it tongue? The boy
You ask me, is it tongue?
okay, tongue. Stop looking at her. You're the game master.
the game? She's not finished. The time is not finished.
You're dragging.
Show them the concealer.
Concealer is on my hand now.
Okay, now let's play for concealer brush.
I don't like this game anymore.
Are you ready? This really like helping you.
I'm ready. Let's go. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, wish me luck in the comment section. But I don't know how this makeup is going to turn.
Ready?
Yeah.
What do you lose the moment you share it?
A secret. A secret. A secret. A secret.
Side.
Erin,
Yeah.
I go around in circles, but always straight ahead. I never complain no matter where I'm led. What am I?
Go around in circles. Go straight ahead. The sun.
I go around in circles. I go around in circles, but always straight ahead. I never complain no matter where I am led. What am I?
Airplane.
The airplane goes round and round. I'm sorry. Are you ready? Time is up. A wheel.
So I usually use is this benign clown white primer because I love question. No priming. Yeah.
If you drop me, I'm sure to crack. But smile at me, and I always smile back. What am I?
Mirror.
Sorry.
Smile at you.
So now, she's playing for her brush.
Next up, playing for the brushes. Let's go.
What do you call a baby rifle?
A baby what?
What do you call a baby rifle?
Rifle.
Rifle.
What's a rifle?
What's an ammunition?
Oh, guns.
So, are you comparing?
Is that the answer?
No, that's not the answer.
What do you call a baby gun?
A baby gun. Okay, I believe you have the that can game.
What do you call a baby gun?
Anytime.
Sniper. That's the only thing I know
It's
now.
not a thing, it's a
I
phrase.
don't know they don't call a baby gun.
A common phrase. I actually want to think, but remember that I'm counting.
Please let me get this question. Please just wait. Don't count.
What do you call a baby?
Not to get.
Just know you ready.
What do you call a baby rifle?
I don't told you a rifle is a gun. It's a common saying. Like everybody says it. It's a common
Just say you don't want me to do my eyeshadow.
No, it's a common saying.
Come say where?
When I
You
say it,
say
you
it.
get it.
You say commonly.
Okay, we say it.
Really?
And they say it a lot in black movies.
God.
This girl, Cookie says it a lot. It's like an exclamation. Still it never comes
Let me just try my best,
Actually,
please. What do you call the baby wife?
the time is up, but I just want to let's just try and get it.
Because now I want to get out
It
of
means it's a saying. Like,
Even if you get it, your issue
like, oh my god.
Oh my god, baby rifle.
I've told you rifle is gone.
Black people say it a lot.
A lot.
Come. Short.
I've told you, I've given you one part of the answer.
Gone. Short gone.
I've given you one part of the answer, so you're looking for the other part.
What's the part you gave me? You short gone. Hey, please don't say it, I beg.
I've given you
Say it.
it's gonna be gone. Like I gave you everything you needed.
You wanna live that kind of life. You want your name in flashing lights. You wanna chase that shallow high. Oh, oh, oh. Tell me why you wanna sell yourself alive. Cause in the end you realize it's gonna leave you cold and empty on the